WD-40 should be in every home. Discover 19 useful tricks it can do. The well-known product WD-40 is irreplaceable among home DIY enthusiasts and craftsmen. However, much of the population is not aware of it. This spray miracle is definitely worth having at home. This inconspicuous spray with a yellow logo has so many possible uses that not having it at home would be literally sinful. Primarily, this multi-purpose lubricant is used to loosen rusty nuts and bolts, but it has many other uses. 1. Cleaning stainless steel. Stainless steel cookware, appliances, and other household accessories may look beautiful, but every fingerprint is visible. Thanks to WD-40, you can polish them perfectly, making everything beautifully shiny. It also helps create a protective barrier. 2. Removing glue residue from hands. Removing strong glue from hands can be a problem. In such cases, just spray a little WD-40 on your hands and rub with circular motions. The glue will dissolve, and you can easily wash it off. 3. Against wasp nests. If you have areas around you where wasps might build nests, spray them with this preparation. The slippery surface will make them uncomfortable, and they will choose to build their nest elsewhere. 4. Stain removal. WD-40 is an excellent agent for removing stains from fabrics. It can even handle chewing gum, just apply it several times. It also easily removes stains from the floor after painting. 5. Cleaning candle holders. WD-40 is excellent for removing wax from candle holders. Just spray, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe with a damp cloth. 6. Stuck zippers. If the zipper on your jacket, pants, or bag gets stuck, spray a small amount of WD-40, rub with your finger, and the zipper will release. 7. Lawn mower blades. When mowing, cut grass often sticks to the blades, complicating the mowing process. The solution is WD-40. Spray it on the blades and wipe after each mowing. 8. Deterrent for pigeons. Although most of us love animals, the truth is that pigeons perched on windowsills can leave a very unpleasant mess. Here, WD-40 can help. Just apply a little to a clean windowsill, and pigeons will avoid it. Don't worry, nothing will happen to them, they just don't like the scent. 9. Shoe waterproofing. Apply a little spray to your shoes, and they will be waterproof. Note that this method only works on shoes with a smooth surface, so do not apply it to suede, for example. 10. Stuck ring. Especially when fingers swell, it is a problem to take rings off hands. Both men and women are familiar with this unpleasant situation, and a little WD-40 spray around the ring will immediately release it. 11. As an antifreeze mixture. Spray WD-40 on your car windows to prevent them from freezing overnight. In the morning, you won't have to spend a long time cleaning the windows. 12. Fighting limescale. Glass surfaces look very elegant in the bathroom but have one major drawback. After each shower, the glass needs to be thoroughly wiped and dried to prevent limescale from settling. WD-40 is enough to apply to dry glass, and water will no longer stick to it. It also perfectly cleans the shower head. Just spray, let it sit for a few minutes, and then scrub with a brush. You can also use WD-40 on yellow stains in the toilet bowl. 13. For artificial plants. If you have artificial flowers in your home, WD-40 will help refresh their appearance. They can get dusty and lose their shine over time. Just clean them with this preparation, and they will look like new. 14. Garden furniture and tools. Thanks to WD-40, you can protect the surface of garden furniture from rust. Applying it to the wooden handle of garden tools prevents wood from cracking. 15. Self-sharpening scissors. Scissor blades dull over time, that's normal. If you want scissors to last longer, spray the blades with WD-40, causing the scissors to self-sharpen with each use. 16. Frozen car locks. This is an old and well-known trick. Just apply a little WD-40 to the lock and its internals, and it will soon defrost. 17. Stuck glasses. What to do when two stacked glass or bowl cannot be separated. You've tried to pull them apart, but you're afraid they'll break. Spray a little WD-40 into the joints, and the glassware will immediately separate. Before using them, don't forget a thorough wash. 18. Chewing gum and hair. When dealing with gum and hair, there's no need to reach for scissors right away. Just spray a little on the stuck hair, and after a while, you can easily and painlessly comb it out. 19. Tea stains. Especially when preparing black tea, stains can sometimes remain on the kitchen counter. Try spraying a little WD-40 on a sponge or a damp cloth and gently wipe the stain. Don't forget to clean with water afterward.